Hi. SnowRunner trucks tier list. I do play SnowRunner, so this is why I want to do it. These are all the stock trucks. So, the Azov, great at most tasks. This Caterpillar right here, that one is definitely. I have not used this one, so I do not know its opinion with me. The Azov 4220 Antarctic, yeah, by the way, this is a Kamaz in real life. The Azov's a Kamaz. This van sucks. Even with max upgrades, it sucks so much. This is solid truck. With upgrades, it's pretty solid. Yeah, same with that. Oh yeah, sorry about the background noises. Stupid motorcycles. This International Pace Star. This thing is so good. Like that, I mean so bad. Pretty solid truck. Can you not motorbike? Oh, this Glob, that's actually one of the best trucks in my opinion. This Freightliner, it's a pretty solid truck. Ooh, I don't know. Probably, yeah. This thing is so bad. That truck. Okay, I'm gonna be back just to go click on that. What? Oh my gosh. I'll be back. Okay, yes, hello, I am back. Oh, sorry, I'll close the door real quick. Hi, I am back a second time. Okay, back to the tier list. Decent truck. This thing sucks. I mean, it's a good truck overall, but it's middle axle. I have never used this, but people say it's really good. The P16, great at most tasks. Not the best truck, but not the worst. Oh, this is actually a pretty good truck. The International Lodestar is quite good. That's the best Scout in my opinion. Or maybe that. Oh wait, no. Oh, the Western Star. Probably, I don't know. I think it's that one. But lacks a trailer function, which is a bit sad. Is this a Royal? I'm not sure. It's either a Royal or a Club. I'm not really sure. You? Go. My lip. Here. Wait, no. I was not thinking about that. Pretty solid truck. Okay, So the Hummer is actually like the best scout. It's actually really good. The Yar 87 is quite good too. International Scout, solid scout. Can you? Sorry, there's a fly. Sorry. This is quite bad in this one. Oh, the CLT. Now this. Where's the paster? Oh yeah, I found it. This step, I'd say here it's a pretty solid, good truck. Okay, wait. I was being a bit too generous for the Hummer. Probably here. Oh, the Freightliner is a pretty solid truck. Pretty good truck. Decent truck. Probably there. Good at most tasks. The P12 is definitely a bit better than the P16 in my opinion. Better in the mud, definitely. Okay, same rank. That's a pretty solid truck. That's a good truck too. This probably about here. And there. Okay, see ya. Cheers.